Welcome back. This is Satya from JavaBeam. This is a video continuation to our previous videos of series, which is Java JDK 11 new features. This is a enhancement to the existed java.util collections. The toArray method has been included. It's a overloaded method which is takes the generator object to generate a new array from the existing collection. Let me quickly show you code how we can use the toArray method to generate the arrays. Here is my array list which is accepting numbers. Let me print this one and then we'll convert to array. Okay, now before converting to array, we have in streams also we have toArray method. Let me show you, and we will convert that one to list.toArray stream, and here from we can convert it to toArray. And there are two methods. One is without taking in arguments, and the second one is toArray with int function. This is a generator object. It will take. Here we need to pass a generator, nothing but one functional interface overloaded, or we can pass a lambda expression. Let me create one lambda expression to pass this. So here we need to create one new array of type integer, and so size, then new integer of the size of the array. This is how we can create a lambda expression or generator, we can say. This will create the array with this size dynamically inside the toArray, and toArray will convert existed stream into array of integers. Let me capture this one, integer array. And this is not readable. Let me print array start dot toString, and I'm passing the array. This is how we are converting from the streams. Same way we can use a toArray method from the list. So here is my list. I can use a toArray. There are three methods total, and toArray with without any arguments. Directly it will convert corresponding data type into array type, and the other one is it takes the object. Here we need to pass the new array object so that list objects will be appended to the new array object. And the third one is the overloaded method, and which is incorporated in Java 11. This is taking generator object. It is int function similar to stream.toArray. So we will take this one. Here either we can use the lambda expression as we have used similar to like this, something like this. So first I will show you that one. Size and lambda expression, new integer of size, and it returns integer array. Okay, this is how we convert, or how we use the toArray with generator object. We can use alternatively some other way, which is a static, we can say new integer array Yeah, this is syntax actually. We want integer array of new. We can give alternative like this, and this is also a generator or lambda expression. Yeah, this is how we can use a to array method from list to convert list objects into primitive, array type. Here not only integers, we can take any type. Let me take a string and I will show you. So we don't not require this one for now. Here instead of integer array, now data is a string array. So let me convert to string, and return type is a string array. See, this is how we use a to array. So here it takes the int function. So don't think int function accepts only int array. The int function nothing but that function takes this one. There is a int function, it is a functional interface. Here is a method, apply method, which takes int value. That's the reason this function is called int function. But the return type, or that can be anything, that can be a integer array, that can be a string array, whatever the array it can be, it will take the input as int. That's the reason that is called int function. Yeah, that's all about using to array function from the collections. Yeah, this is useful for dynamically passing the object to convert array object to convert our collection to array. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe my channel to get the latest updates.